Hey Emily, how you doing? It's great to hear from you. I'm so glad that you got your own classroom. That is really awesome. I mean, in Texas, what the heck? Why not? Just make sure you stay safe from the hurricanes. I'm not sure exactly where you are in Texas, but yeah, stay safe. And actually, if you get a chance, you get out to the Gulf Coast of Texas. It's beautiful. I'm not exactly sure where you're at, but anyway, um, yeah, I'm still they because of the COVID thing, they didn't do any adjuncts this year. So and adjuncts aren't really listed on the GVSU website. So it sounds like there's a possibility I'll have a class this winter, but not official yet. So anyway, your questions about using an animated GIF and Google Slides. I assume that's what we're talking about. So I just made a Google slide here, just a sample page here with Emily's Tech class. So what you're going to want to do is this. There's two things that I believe will work. And number one, let's just make a new slide. So we got a new slide right here. I'm going to get rid of these two things here. So I just got a blank page. And I have an animated GIF that I'm going to insert. So I'm going to go over here to insert. I'm going to grab image. I'm going to upload from the computer. And I have this computer dude right here. So I'm going to put him in there. And you'll notice that actually in Google Slides right now, it is working. Let's make sure I'm in the middle here. And I want to make sure. So there, he's there. So he's working. Now, the two ways that you would want your students to see this is number one, when they're seeing it, you want to make sure you're either presenting. And so if you're in presenting mode, it'll work. The tricky part is that they have to turn that into presenting mode unless you publish it to the web. So what you would do then is you would go to File, Publish to Web, and right here we're going to publish to the web. And you can auto advance the slides or you don't have to. So, I'm just going to say every minute. This starts the slideshow as soon as player loads. I don't think that you have to auto if you don't do this. I'm not sure. But anyway, we're going to publish it right here. And it's going to say yeah. And right there now we're going to have a URL for the actual presentation online. So I just did Control C to copy it. And we'll just open up a new tab here, and I'm going to paste and go to that. And you're going to see that it is set up. This is the first page. And then when I click to go to the next page, the animated GIF is there. And so it's already in presentation mode. So that's kind of one nice thing. And the other nice thing that's about that is once you have it published like that, I'm just going to make another slide, and as you add to it, I'm going to insert one more. So I'm going to actually go to insert here, image, and I'm going to grab another one to upload from the computer. I just threw them on my desktop is how I did that there. We'll bring this in, get rid of these guys. This is another kind of virtual school dude. So the cool thing is though, once you have that published, if I go over here to paste and go, we're still back here. Here's the first page. And the second page, you don't have to do anything else once you have it published. It's already there for them to use. Now, I'll be curious to know that if it does automatically go in a minute. If it does, they can always use the back arrow if it's too long. I'm not sure exactly how you're going to want to do it. But for me, it seems like the two issues are you either need to have it in presentation mode for your students or publish it to the web so you can put it in your Canva or whatever you want to do. So I hope that helps. I'm so glad you reached out to me, and I'm so glad that you have your own classroom because you're going to be amazing. So thanks, and let me know if I can help anymore. See ya.